Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Era 1200 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the main resolution is through the registry editor, so search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on it to open the registry editor window. Go to this key, H key current user, software, Microsoft Office 16.0 common and identity. Right click on the identity key and select delete and click on yes once again. Close it. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart your computer. Now once this is done, here's one more thing that you can try. Click on these three dots at the top right corner of your browser, select history and then click on the delete key and then select the time range at all time and make sure that cache and cookies are selected and then click on clear now. This is in case you are using the Outlook web app, the OVA. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.